We're back in Fremont at Meesha. An intimate setting paired with unique food and creative cocktails makes this the perfect spot for an evening out on the town.
It's just that fine line between something nice and casual and something that you can dress up for.
It's got this kind of nice, sort of modern, clean vibe to it.
And the food is...
Normally, unfortunately, Indian food is not that popular in a way like for fine dining.
Owner Preeti Agarwal wants people to have a unique dining experience, bringing some of her favorite dishes from India to Fremont.
This is the real Indian food that I want people to know because believe me, in India, if you go, there are so many different cuisines, there are so many different recipes and dishes that people had no idea here. Hey, Indian food is not just for takeout. You can go and enjoy with lovely wine or a cocktail and have a good time.
How do I describe this food? Indian food done really well, with a little twist.
The flavors are really good. This food, it has a lot of Indian influences, but it's also just very modern and bright and fresh.
It's a total package. It's not just Indian food. It's about the creative cocktails to pair with my food, plus good ambiance, so you can come and celebrate a special occasion and just have a good time.
What are we gonna make today?
So today we're gonna make this amazing chaat. It calls Chana chaat. Chana means garbanzo beans or white chickpeas. And chaat is a very popular street food in India. It's very easy to make, super healthy, and it's a vegetarian dish.
That sounds great. I can't wait.
Well, in India, chaat is our street food.
Okay.
And chaat means umami of flavors. That means salt, spicy, sweet, tangy, everything together. There are a lot of different varieties of chaat, and every region, every cuisine has their own version of chaat. But here I'm doing a very Northwest style using some local ingredients. We have this wonderful Villa Joreda. It's a Syrian vendor who gives us all these lovely stuff.
Right.
And then we mix all these ingredients together and make this wonderful chaat.
Okay, well, let's get started.
We start with some strained Greek yogurt mixed with cumin, salt, and Aleppo.
In chaat, yogurt is very, very important ingredient. In India, you can't make any chaat if you don't have yogurt.
You don't have yogurt.
Because in India, we eat pretty spicy chaat. So yogurt always cool it down.
Sure.
Next, we add some chickpeas and zucchini squash, then mint and cilantro for freshness.
Mint is another favorite herb in India that is very refreshing, and because most of the months in India is always very hot and warm, so mint is always very refreshing that we use in salads, even in drinks.
Yes.
Then we add in salt mixed with seeds and some more Aleppo.
I'm trying to make this Indian Moroccan style salad.
Yeah.
So we have few things, like cilantro, cumin, mint from India.
Yeah.
Then we have Aleppo, preserved lemon, and sea salt from here. So give it a little twist.
Yeah.
And in Northwest, we get so many beautiful, wonderful ingredients and vegetables that I always like to work with it.
Yeah, it sounds like you use, a lot of local people.
We always want to support the community and the local small vendors because I also, small business owner.
Right, yeah.
So I love to do that.
Next, we add in some toasted cumin and then onto some preserved lemon and Fresno.
This is my favorite part because I
Really?
love preserved lemon.
Yeah.
This is like, just take this to another level.
Finally, we top it all off with some microgreens.
Ta-da!
Chana chaat, ready.
It's beautiful.
Here you go, bon appetit.
Bon appetit. It's like an explosion of flavor. Like every time you chew, it's something different.
Exactly.
It's so good. I'm glad you have the yogurt in there.
Yeah, that always,
Cools it off a little
Yeah.
bit. The texture is really fun.
yeah. And it's perfect for summer. You can even take it for a picnic.
That's fantastic.
Thank you.
For recipes, farm visits, and more, visit wagrown.com.